Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's tutorial is showing you how to make this watermelon with glasses, and it'll show you how to do the cardstock in these different designs so that you can make the glasses whatever designs you would like. So you'll need 3 different things. The first is Cricut Design Space. So make sure you have that. This tutorial does use a Cricut to cut things out, but you could cut them by hand. It would just take a long time. You'll also need the watermelon with sunglasses mold. That's from Natalie Creation. And Save works at checkout for 10% off. And then you'll also need this SVG cut file. So this is on Etsy. And I'll make sure I link everything in the video notes as well as in the comments. So first things first is to go ahead and buy the SVG and download it. Then in Cricut Design Space on a new canvas, you're going to go to Upload. You're going to go to Upload Image and say Browse. Then they name it a weird number, the CL1, whatever that is. And you're going to make sure you click on the one that looks like this and that it says .svg at the end. Then I'm going to say open. You can rename this whatever you would like so that you can find it later if you need to. And then you're going to say upload. Then now it's in my Cricut, so I can click on it and I can say add to canvas. Now the nice thing about buying these SVGs that are different colors is that it's really easy to split up all of these different parts. So over here, I am going to delete the watermelon piece. See how this highlights all the watermelon? I'm just clicking on it, and then you could go to delete up here, or you can use it on your keyboard. It doesn't matter. And then I'm going to click on the smile, and I'm going to delete that. And then on these glasses, I don't want these 2 marks, so I'm just going to delete those. So then once you have all of that, you will have the glass piece that you need to use for your sunglasses. I wrote out the dimensions here. You're just going to click on your sunglasses. You're going to change it to 3.5 by 1.316, and then you're ready to add your patterns. So instead of having this be a basic cut, I'm going to change it to a print then cut. Then I'm going to go in and click on pattern. And then these are all patterns that I have uploaded, or Cricut also provides some. If you haven't uploaded your own, you could also choose some that Cricut has. So you can click on the patterns. You can edit it however you would like so that it has the look that you're going for. And then once you have this, you're ready to go ahead and say make it and print it out. Then you can flip it upside down in your Freshie mold and you will have a Freshie with that patterned cardstock that you used. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I've also linked a Facebook Freshie support group if you would prefer to connect with us on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.